Do you know that only 2 ingredients can help you lose belly fat? No? Are you tired of searching for ways to lose belly fat on the internet? Yes? Have you ever typed "how to" in the Google search bar? Yes? Then you may already know that the top suggestions are for how to lose belly fat, and Google knows over 1 million answers for you to bid farewell to your stubborn belly fat. Morning runs? Check. Workout routines? Check. Gym? Check. Cardio? Check. Dieting? Check. Feeding on kale, lettuce, and broccoli 6 times a day? Check. No food before bed or even after 6 p.m.? Check. Fighting hunger with olive oil alternatives and drinking gallons of water? Check. Fed up? I know. Been there, done that. But fear not. We are here for a fairly new and simple way for you to win the battle against belly fat. Trust me, you'll be amazed with the end results. It's a 2-secret ingredient magical recipe in the form of appetizing drink, and all you need to do is just drink 3 tablespoons per day. Sounds good? Then press the thumbs up button now to explore your path to a flat belly. I know you're eager to find out. Before we start, thanks for stopping by Fulfilled Life channel. Here we will reveal the best tips, tricks, and hacks that you can use in your daily life. Like this video and hit the subscribe button if you want to learn more cool tricks like this one. Now, let's see why people spend tons of money and precious time looking for ways to get a flat belly. The stats by the US Department of Health and Human Services reveal that up to 91% of American women tend to diet because they're not satisfied with their bodies. More than half of college-going girls feel under pressure to attain a certain body weight. Finally, up to 42% little girls in grades 1 to 3 see themselves as overweight and want to be slimmer. Pretty shocking, right? If you're one of those people who think they should lose a few extra pounds, it's nothing to be ashamed of. Feel free to give us a like or let us know how you feel in the comment section. But the questions arise. What makes you believe that those few extra pounds are your greatest enemy? Well, you may already know the answer. It's the media. It's the slim, tall, glamorous people who smile at you from your smartphone and TV screens. It's the smart, beautiful models you see everywhere in beauty and fashion magazines, who are regarded as symbols of success and power in society. On the other hand, you're just seen as lazy, unsuccessful person with a low self-esteem just because you don't have a certain weight. Not only that, these extra pounds can quickly deteriorate your health. There are a lot of physiological, psychological, and reproductive health problems associated with obesity. For instance, diabetes, cardiovascular problems like heart attacks, stroke, and specific types of cancers. No matter why you want to lose belly fat because you're health conscious or fashion conscious, we're glad to reveal our 2-ingredient solution that can help you lose considerably amount of weight in just 3 tablespoons per day. On top of that, this recipe does not only help you with weight loss but lowers the level of cholesterol in your body, so it's a win-win. Let's find out. The first magical ingredient you need is garlic. Yes, don't make that face at me. I know it stinks, but this ancient spice is believed to have medical properties that fight off colds or even vampires. A popular old Greek physician, Hippocrates, had described tons of medical properties related to garlic. Don't know what? I'm here to tell you all. Garlic is an antioxidant-rich spice. Antioxidants prevent you risk of developing cardiovascular diseases, lower the odds of dementia and Alzheimer's disease, and fights off acne and rosacea. Not only that, it helps you maintain good health by combating common cold symptoms and improving the conditions of your bones. The goodness does not stop there. It can be used as an easy hair mask to induce the growth of thicker hair. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Garlic contains very low calories but is rich in nutrients. Nowadays, you can obtain garlic in the form of whole cloves, oils, paste, powder, and extract. And you only need a clove 2 or 3 times per day to see the benefits. You can even take it with every meal you have in a day. Easy, right? Let's move on. The second hypnotic ingredient you need seems to have originated from the era of the Caucasus and the Persian Empire in 16,000 BC. It's the life of every party and it's extracted from the grapes. Yes, you know what I'm talking about. It's your favorite red wine. Whoever told you to stay away from alcohol for the sake of your health wasn't entirely right. Moderate amount of alcohol are actually beneficial for your health. Consuming 3 glasses of red wine per week can lower the level of cholesterol in your body and protect your fragile heart from so much damage. Not only that, it helps combat colds and prevents the damage to your skin by the harmful UV rays of the sun. Also, the top layer of red grape is a great source of natural resveratrol that controls the level of sugar in your body, improves the function of your brain, boosts your memory, and slows down the process of aging to give you a long life. But wait, it keeps getting better. It can lower your risk of developing a common mental illness. Yes, it helps prevent depression, and that too in moderate amounts. Both of these ingredients are the keys to a lowered cholesterol level in your body. You may be wondering why we're stressing about lowering your body's cholesterol level. While an increase in the level of cholesterol can have a negative impact on your health. Cholesterol can be obtained from two sources and it circulates in your bloodstream. Number 1, your liver produces cholesterol, which is the right amount for your body needs. Number 2, dietary sources you depend on, like poultry, meat, dairy products, full-fat produce, also known as trans fat. Because of these consumptions of trans fat, your liver works hard to make a higher level of cholesterol than needed. And when the level of cholesterol increases in your body, you become prone to coronary heart disease like strokes and heart attacks. The risk does not stop here. Other factors such as diabetes and high blood pressure also contribute to your odds of developing a cardiovascular illness. But fear not, we got good news. You can lower the levels of cholesterol in your body with our easy 2-ingredient recipe. Now that you know individual benefits of garlic and red wine, imagine the benefits when they're combined together. I know, you're right. It creates a fairly powerful super drink that does not only lower the level of cholesterol in your body, but helps get rid of belly fat. It also boosts your immune system, clears your blood of the impurities, and increases your rate of metabolism so you can burn a large amount of fat in a short time. All you need to do is take 12 cloves of garlic, peel them off, cut them into small pieces and put them in a glass jar or any other container that contains 16 ounces of red wine. Then put on the lid and leave the container in a place where it gets direct sunlight for up to 2 weeks. Now wait patiently. Occasionally mix the ingredients in the bottle by shaking it once or twice per day. After 2 weeks, use a strainer to strain the mixture and store the wine in a bottle made up of glass. Voila! Your secret personal magic remedy is ready. Take 1 tablespoon of this drink 3 times a day for at least a month. Do not skip a day or lose the benefits. Do not take more than the amount we've mentioned. The bottle will last you for 1 month, and once it's over, you can prepare a whole new bottle for the next month. If you don't like alcohol, then you can add water instead of red wine. Your body will thank you for taking care of it. And I'm sure your friends and family will not help but ask you about your diet plans and workout routines you followed. If you tried this drink, don't forget to mention its effect in the comment section below. If you learned something new today, then don't forget to leave a like on this video and share it with your loved ones. We have more interesting videos on our channel. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. And remember, always strive for a fulfilled life.